morning students. Today we are going to see the next topic, client server architecture. So client server, what is the client and what is the server? So let us discuss about the definition of the server and client first. So what is the server? Server is nothing but it is a high performance hardware machine, hardware system. So which can run more than one application simultaneously or concurrently. So that is the server. So what about the client? So client is a separate system, separate hardware machine which is connected to the server through the network. Either it may be an intranet or the intranet. So this is how the client server process works. So the client request from the server. Client always send a request to the server. The request will be processed by the server and the response will be sent back to the client. So the client is called as service requester and the server is called as service provider. So this is the introduction about the client server architecture. So there are the three types of architecture here we are going to discuss. So the first one is single tier architecture. It's nothing but both the server and client acts in a single machine. There will be no any intermediate layers. Next one is the two-tier architecture. Here there will be a intermediate layer between the client and the server. The client is separate and the server is separate. You have two tiers. So that is the two-tier architecture. And the last one is the multi-tier architecture. Here multi-tier in the sense you will be having the client. Here you will be having the server. In between the business logics, that is the application layer will be there. So the client will send the request through the application layer to the server. Any business logics will occur in between the client and the server. This is about the types of architecture. So in the next we will see about the server side scripting language. So the next one is the server side scripting language. So the scripting language can be divided into two, client side and the server side. So PHP is totally different from the client side. So it always works with the web server and the web server gets a request from the client as a HTML request and send back the response. The client is able to view only the HTML content in the using the web browser in his either in his laptop or the PC. So this is about the basic introduction about the server side scripting language. So in the next video we will see the web development concept. Thank you.